Today we're going to do some word work using these ending sounds. So when we have these letters by themselves, it doesn't make any sense. It does not make a word. So GLE says gull, BLE says bull, and DLE says dull. Today we are using these as ending sounds coming at the end of a word. So we're going to put another part in the front and then see which one makes sense. So if I use g, I, g, gig, would I say gig, gull, giggle, gig, bull, gig, bull, gig, dull, gig, dull? Well, of course, I would do gig, gull, giggle. Giggle is a laugh, like when you think something's funny and you giggle. I think I'm going to definitely run out of room, but I'll write it small down here. Giggle. All right, let's try this one. Ready? Scrib. Now, let's see. Scribgle, scribble, scribdole. We would put scrib together with bull, scribble. All right, so if you are coloring something kind of sloppy or you write something down real quick, you scribble. Okay, let's try can. Cangle, canbull, candle. How can we make a word with those sounds? Candle. If the power goes out and you can't see, you might light a candle at your house. Okay. Let's do crumgle, crumble, crumdle. Crumble. If you are building blocks and somebody knocks them over, your building will crumble. Fall down. All right. Let's try bub. So would we say bubgle, bubble, bubdole? Bubble, bubble, which you can blow with your gum if you're allowed to chew gum, a bubble. Let's try this one. Pudgle, pudbull, puddle. We can make the word puddle. What happens outside after it rains? There is a puddle. Okay. Let's try this one. Tay-gull, tay-bull, tay-dole. Table, where you eat your dinner or your breakfast, at the table. Oh, I erased my B. Okay, how about babgle, babble, babdole. You might not know this word, babble. Babble is like what babies do when they're just learning how to talk or they make silly sounds. Babble. Let's try this one. Wig. Wig. Wiggle, wigbull, wigdole. Wiggle. When you're squirming all around, wiggle. Okay. What would we put with han? Hangul, handbowl, handle. We would need the DLE ending, handle, which you use to open the car door, the handle. Let's try nib, nib, nibgle, nibble, nibdle. We can say nibble, like a mouse takes a little bite out of something. It will nibble on the cookie. Okay, let's try fay. Fagel, fable, fadle. We've talked about this in reading at the very beginning of the week. I read to you The Little Red Ant and the Great Big Crumb. It was a fable. A story that is meant to teach a lesson is a fable. Try this one. An, sangle, sandbowl, sandal. This one sounds like it should be sandal, but sandal's spelled differently. So it is a trick. There actually isn't one for san. So sometimes when we learn these words and we think, oh, it sounds just like this word, it's actually not. We always have to double check. All right, last one. P-ad. Padgle, padbull, paddle. Paddle would be the word, which you use when you're playing ping pong. You hit the ball with a paddle. Okay, so we can see from the words that we've made that we have two syllables, two word parts. Paddle. So if we split our word right there, we can see the two parts. Pad, dull. Same thing with nibble, nib-bull. Giggle, gig-gull. Candle, candle. Puddle, puddle. All right, table, we split after the A because it's a long A. Ta-bull. Wiggle, wiggle. Fable, fay-bull. Long A again. Scribble, scrib-bull. Crumble, crumb-bull. Bubble, bub-bull. Babble, bab-bull. Handle, handle. All right, so our two word parts or our two syllables, we can have as each part a beginning and an ending sound. And when we know that when we see GLE or BLE or DLE, that's where we can sound that out, okay? Sometimes you might see TLE, like little, little, okay? So that is there also. All right, good word work today.